Hello!
Hi, AG. Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss Iza.
Good afternoon. I am so thrilled. I am so excited to be here with all of you to talk about the new LG products and, of course, discover also like how amazing LG products are and how we are all going to make that upgrade, that LG upgrade, lalo na ngayong Christmas. Kasama ninyo ako, magiging budol body ninyo ako dahil lahat talaga ng products dito nasa Christmas wish list ko na at dapat nasa wish list nyo na din. So thank you for having me.
Oh no, we're very excited, Miss Isa, to be with you today as
Thank
part
you.
of our ULD family. No? Pero for you, what is the home for the holidays? What does that mean to you?
Siyempre sa akin, medyo may deeper meaning siya lalo ngayon. Kasi home for the holidays and making that upgrade for me is being with my family and creating a home for, siyempre, my future child. Yun. So that's what it means to me. And of course, giving them the best. That's why nandito tayo ngayon sa LG. Kasi ito ang best. Oh.
Galing din.
Oo. Sir Jillian.
Yes, Ma'am Iza.
Naku, gusto ko yung Insta-view. Pwede ba ako lumapit?
Opo.
Oo. Okay lang, hindi naman nananagat yung fridge, no?
Naligo po yan eh.
Kasi it really brings something new to the table.
Yeah.
Merong knock-knock silang tinatawag
Yes.
dito eh.
There you go.
Oh!
There you go.
Wow! Sir, soju? Hindi pwede sabihin. Oo. Alam mo, this is such a nice feature because a lot of us, di ba, makakatipid tayo sa kuryente kung hindi natin bubuksan yung fridge. So sige natin, ano na bang meron pa dito? Nandito pa to. Okay, sige. And I really love this. So, pakita mo naman, Sir Jillian, ano pa ang ibang mga... In-explain mo na kanina.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
iba kasi, di ba, pag makita talaga natin.
Practical application,
Oo.
Sir Jim.
Sure. Ito po yung flagship model natin. It's an InstaView door-in-door ref with matte black finish. So as mentioned by Ma'am Isa, it's equipped with InstaView, which gives you an instant view of what's inside. It's the world's first knock-on refrigerator. But compared to the old model, yung InstaView panel po niya is 23% bigger now.
So, mas malaki na.
Right, mas marami na kayong makikita sa loob. And then, it has the what we call door-in-door. Kasi would you know that an average Filipino household, they open and close the ref door by around 80 to 90 per day. And most of the time, they only get water, cheese, small items lang. Parang mga 70-80% of that. Kumukuha lang sila ng cheese, water. Kaya we also innovated the door-in-door design for small items na gusto nyo kunin sa ref. So nakakatipid po tayo ng
Kuryente, alam naman natin. Mahal.
And then another feature po, please. Another feature po is what we call the door cooling plus. Ito po siya, yung vent niya malapit sa door basket.
What does that mean?
The typical ref po kasi, yung vent nila is nandun lang sa may wall portion po.
Okay.
So, with this door cooling plus, it gives the ref more even cooling. Wala pong parang
Doon,
dead zone. Dead zone. More even and faster cooling. Para kayong nasa sasakyan, may vent kayo sa likod. So, mas mabilis lumamig yung sasakyan nyo.
Okay.
Saka mas equal yung
Distribution.
Right.
Sir, I also heard you talk about earlier that it keeps like fruits and vegetables like mas fresh
Yes.
for a longer period of time. Importante yan para sa atin because, well, of course, I personally love fruits and vegetables, but we really need our food to be fresh for a longer period of time.
It's because of our linear cooling feature. Yung ref po natin, as I presented a while ago, nagpa-fluctuate lang yung temperature niya ng plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. So yung mga, kung halimbawa, nagsasamgyup kayo, yung mga lettuce niyo, yung mga vegetables niyo, fruits niyo, mas na-prolong niya yung lifespan. Actually, yung average ref lang, kaya niya lang i-preserve yan mga nasa 3 or maximum mga nasa 5 days na po. With this ref, kaya po niya kahit mga 10 days, fresh pa rin siya.
Itong pakwa natin, sir, 2 months na yan dyan.
Oo!
Pero,
Fresh pa rin.
Fresh pa rin.
Okay. And then, of course, we can open this. But I want to talk about the dispenser because
Yeah.
it says here, reduces bacteria, and that's very important for all of us. In terms of hygiene, kasi yung sabi nila, yung iba daw madumihin.
Yes, opo. Actually, yun yung setback ng mga ref na may dispenser. Minsan ayaw ng consumer kasi minsan naglulumot nga yung ano nila, yung dispenser. But with this, naipit po kayo. Hindi
Hindi
naman.
wala
Opo, with this ref po, with this dispenser, it has the UV nanotechnology na po. So, na-eliminate din niya yung bacteria. And then for me, yung pinaka-underrated dito sa ref na to, yung feature, is the dispenser. It can dispense not just water, but also ice.
Ang ganda.
It could be crash ice, or it could be
At any given time.
at any given time.
sige
Totoo ba?
Opo.
Okay, pakita naman natin. Ang ganda nun.
Kaya lang wala ata.
Wala kayo.
Walang nailagay. Open na lang.
Okay, pakita na lang natin.
doon siya
Wow,
nilalagay.
ayun.
Ano po siya, non-plumbing type. Meaning, you don't have you don't need yung piping system pa natin. May container po siya dito, 4 liters po yun. Ito lang po yung i-refill natin. And then automatically, makakapag-dispense na po siya ng water and ice.
Sandali. Galing dito.
Kaya lang dito,
Sa fridge.
pupunta po siya dito.
Pupunta doon?
Opo.
Bakit? Teka lang, baka next time na lang, parang mahabang usapan yun.
Wala po sa Encantadia niya.
Nagano lumipat.
Lumipat.
Ang galing!
And then meron siyang space plus ice system, meaning kasi ibang ref, may mga conventional ice tray, which also gives up the space
Yeah,
dito
of
sa
the freezer.
So ito po, wala na, nandito na po siya lahat, yung pinaka-mechanism niya. So ang kailangan niya lang, i-dispense siya dito with UV light.
Tsaka Sir Jill, itong ref natin very durable. Pansin ko meron 10-year warranty.
Yes, opo. 10-year warranty on compressor and 2 years of parts and service.
Yeah.
And then just so you know po, based on our data, si LG po has the lowest FFR. FFR yun po yung return ratio po yung mga nagko-complain, binabalik yung items.
Ay, okay.
We have the lowest that in the market, in the Philippine market today.
So, ibig sabihin, talagang
Matibay.
matibay. Sulit.
Yeah. Sir Jill, paano naman kasi magpapasko na, may handa. Mga lechon paksiw namin, umabot 3 weeks, no? What if I want something bigger na ref?
O kaya dumadami ang pamilya, hindi natin alam, yan ang concern ko. May plus one, di ba? May pamarating.
Okay naman, Sir Jill.
O, iba-iba.
Ito po, this is a bigger refrigerator. Kaya lang this one doesn't have the dispenser. Pero kung hindi kayo fan ng black refrigerator, we have the classic silver with InstaView. Same feature except the dispenser. And then,
Pwede po ba natin buksan?
and then both of them are Wi-Fi enabled. So later, they discuss that yung benefits nun. Pero in a nutshell, kung may Wi-Fi po yung ref nyo, nakakonect siya, nakakontrol niyo yung temperature using your smartphone. And then kung halimbawa may nakaiwang bukas yung door, you can get a notification. Kahit nasa office kayo, matawagan niyo lang kung sino yung nasa bahay. Sarado nyo nga yung ref natin, kanina pa bukas yan.
Oo. Kasi the last thing you want, halimbawa yung freezer, pag may iwan nakabukas, alam mo, tapos diba, nag-melt lahat. Ako, ang freshness hindi na.
Malakas pa din sa kuryente. Okay.
So, ang ganda ng finish nito, medyo silver siya na.
Mas classic siya compared to this one. Pero kung medyo light naman yung color ng kitchen nyo, mas babagay si matte black.
I have a question. Does this model come in this color as well and vice versa?
Not in the Philippines yet.
Okay, not yet.
Not yet.
Sirs.
Yeah.
Yan.
So,
Ang ganda.
gusto mo na ba yan, Miss Isa? O would you like to explore other refrigerators?
We have to explore everything.
Okay, I got you. Mr. Jill got you.
Okay.
I-picture lang daw natin.
Ito po yung handa namin para sa inyong lahat. So, Jules,